In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label in Confluence. Labels are a simple but powerful way to organize your pages. Make content easier to find, and keep related information connected across your workspace. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can add the right labels quickly and consistently. Start from your Confluence dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see recent work and navigate to any page you need. Click the specific Confluence page you want to label. It can be a meeting note, a how-to article, or a project plan. Labels work the same way across page types. As long as you have permission to manage labels on that page, you are good to go. Once the page opens, scroll to the very bottom. You'll see an option that says Add Labels. This is the control that lets you attach tags to the page. Click Add Labels to open the label panel. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press the L key to bring up the same label interface. That shortcut is a handy time saver when you are labeling several pages in a row. In the label panel, click the plus button to start adding labels. You can search for an existing label or create a new one on the spot. Begin typing the word or phrase you want to use, and you'll see suggestions if similar labels already exist. Choose the match that fits, or finish typing to create a new label and then select it. This helps maintain consistency across your space, so related pages all appear together. When someone filters by that label, here is one important rule to remember. Labels must be lowercase with no spaces. If you are labeling something with multiple words, use hyphens or combine words to keep it readable, like release notes or project roadmap. Sticking to lowercase and a clear pattern makes labels easier to scan and prevents duplicate variations from creeping in. After you select the label, it's attached to the page immediately. You can repeat the process to add more labels, or close the panel when you are done. The next time anyone searches or filters by that label, your page will appear alongside all the related content, which is exactly what makes labeling so valuable. That's all there is to it.